Jesse B here. Today we're going to learn about filtering in Excel 2010. What is filtering? Filtering is a way that you can hide information you would not like to see and only show the information you would like to see. So when you have a very large table on a spreadsheet, one of the tools that you can use to narrow down the data and only focus on a certain portion of that data is called filtering. In my example here, we have divisions. Notice division over here, and there are a number of divisions. So what I would like to do is be able to use that filtering feature and hide all of the divisions and only show one division. And yes, you do have the capability of showing maybe 2 or 3 divisions. Basically, it depends on what information do you have. Now, where do we find the filter feature? We come over from the Home tab and the Home ribbon. We come over to the Data tab and click on the Data tab. And here on the Data ribbon, we have the Sort and Filter group. And in that group, we have the filter. Notice the icon for a filter is a funnel, from a lot down to a little. Notice also a hotkey for you hotkey people. I'm going to click on the funnel and that will turn on the filter. Notice the little drop downs that appear at the top of my columns where all the names are. Now to filter a particular column, I just click the down arrow and you'll notice all the unique items are listed here. So I'm going to uncheck all of them where it says select all, and then I'll pick the division I would like to see. Now you'll notice I can sort here. I can also sort by color. We're going to cover that in a different video. And text filters, also we'll cover that in a different video. So other items are here, not just our filtering. So I'm going to click OK for Walla Walla, and I only see Walla Walla. The other thing that you can do is you can click the down arrow in a second, third, fourth column, depending on how big your table is. And you can continue to narrow down your information, again, based on the information that you're really interested in. So maybe in Walla Walla, I'm interested in 3 departments. I click my check marks by each of those 3, click OK, and now I only see those 3 departments. A great feature of filtering. It really works great. When you are done filtering and you would like to filter different columns, or maybe you want to filter the same column a second time, you can click the clear button, and that will clear out all of your filtered columns, but leave your filter still turned on. So it's a nice little feature. You can also turn off the filter and turn it back on. That will also clear it. But clearing leaves the drop downs there, and then you just start again. So unselect, pick another division or 2, 3 or 4. Kind of depends on your data, but you can filter again based on the column and information you have. Hope you enjoyed filtering. Have a good one.